So I'm back here. We're gonna start on Gemini today. I already low-key did this, and it gave me some of the work, but I'm gonna show you guys how I did it. So super simple, basic prompt right here. It literally says how to place pins on a picture of Florida based on lat long. And Google Gemini is very good. It knows that I want Python. Didn't even say Python in the prompt or nothing like that. Crazy how good these things are from minimal context. But look at this, just like that. Now we're not doing web. Matplotlib. Let's try this one. I need to open cursor to Florida shop. Oh, that's one that I already did last night. Not good. But let's try again. So let's say like I'm curious to how this one's gonna perform. It's very simple. I need to pip install. So just as a reminder, this video is about phase 2. We will get there in 1 second. I've literally got every single tab open. Oh my goodness, not the readme. Alright, so phase 1, we went over in the last video where we created the e-commerce website. That is live, by the way. I pushed that to GitHub. I don't have the link in the bio yet, but I'll drop that link in the bio after this video. So yeah, we're working on phase 2 right now, where we're doing the poster generation system, which is where we're gonna implement some little service to where we're gonna prompt this AI just to create some template images, and then from those template images of the state of Florida, we're going to use this script that we just got from Gemini right here to place pins where the surf breaks are from the lat long that we got from this scraper. All this is available on the GitHub, though, if you guys want to take a look at that, download it, mess around with it. I always make all my stuff public. You guys can mess around with it, follow along with me, make changes. I'm always looking for people to code with, so yeah, if you want to fork it, make some pull requests, that'd be dope. That'd be really cool. But yeah, so what we're doing right now is we just got the script from Gemini, and we are taking this image and we're gonna place some pins on it. These are just examples right here, which is cool. So this is called Florida PNG. This is a little image that I got from Google, super high quality. Yeah, so let's get on with it. Let's change this to florida.png. We got all the imports. Should look good to run this right now. Look at that. Jacksonville, Orlando, Tampa. That looks pretty accurate, dude. I mean, that's pretty freaking accurate, man. How do I zoom in on this thing? Alright. Alright, so just for reference, this is a script that I got last night from that same prompt. Literally, I'll show you right here. It's the same prompt. No, not this one. Oh, you're here. Yeah, right here. I literally go how to place pins on a picture of Florida based on lat long. Gave me banger script. Such a good script right here. And then that gave me this. Originally, which I thought was really good, really accurate, for minimal information to be able to get that, pretty good. And then I updated it to where I gave it the data path of the JSON that we have here in the scrapers data, this JSON data that I was talking about yesterday. So we got all that, put it in here, and then it made this. Look at how ugly it is. Oh my goodness. But this is kind of exactly what I want. Like, this is like on the beach. Yeah, this is like perfect. This is literally perfect. We just need to make this look a lot better because it's good. Just no dots, like lines going. On the west coast, they're gonna need to go out to the left, and then on the east coast, they're gonna have to go out to the right. So we gotta like do that. So yeah, I just want to show you guys how to prompt and like get things. Like we were able to get that cool image right there. That did a really good job from minimal information. You know, like it did these hard-coded pins. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and delete that because that's just not good. This one's much better. We're gonna work off of this one. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's open back up this, see what we're working with. So, I kind of want to work in reverse from here because we already kind of have this that puts out this. So like I kind of just want to make this into a service of its own and not just like an executable script to where we can create a pipeline to where we can have the AI generate images, and then after that take the JSON data and then apply those pins to that image, and then from there maybe create like a little system to where we can like configure how those pins look and whatnot. But let's not get too ahead of ourselves right now. Let's just focus on this pin script that we're building. So yeah, I think we're gonna skip this number one here. Yeah, this is a good workflow, guys. Like it's always good to jump around and mess around. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kind of like, this is the way we're working and this is the way I'm wanting to work, so I'm just gonna show you guys this. General purpose AI models, protects recruiting. Oh, cool. Yeah, we don't have any AI, so we don't need any AI for that. We're using Pillow. Interesting. Gemini did all this without me giving any of this information. Very cool. Geo to pixel. Do we have that function? That'd be really cool if it does. Oh, no. AIs think alike. Great AIs think alike. So we have that. We have that. This is what we're on right here. We're on 4 and 5. Cool. All right. So this should be a short video, hopefully. We've done 1, 2, and 3. We're just using this as a base image right now, just because it's cool. I mean, all right. Let's get another one. Let's just get one more. I want one that has like more. This is good. Yeah, this is honestly good. Cause it's got like room to the right side and the left side. And we're going to save that to document. Which one is that? Florida Star? Where do you go? Scrapers. Or have it just, yeah, have it in the root. Alright. Use PNG. Alright, so we are there. Let's see what we're working with there. Let's run this through our script. That was so fast. Very cool. That is just not good. That is just not good. Oh man. That is just not good. Alright, so we're just gonna stick with Florida map, or this Florida image that we have. So yeah, let's just make this look so much better. So right now, so let's add this to the context. So I'm gonna say here, create a new chat. Oh, I think I need to like go in like the actual file. There we go. So see how I took up over here, added. Alright, so then we're gonna say, please help me enhance the test.py script to be a service that will upload. At Florida with all surf breaks. No, Florida with all surf breaks. Which is okay, but it. Please implement with good comments and code structure. Minimal implementation. That's how we do it around here. We misspell words all the time. Gonna give it test script to know what it's doing. Cool. Let's let this thing cook. And while we're at it, just give you guys a little overview of how this thing is looking. I think it's called floridashop.vercel.app. It's not it. So let's just go to Vercel and we're gonna see what's good. Old Florida art is what we called it. Dude, remember yesterday in the video, I showed you my phone and it was yellow like this? Well, yeah, this preview is yellow. And it's not yellow here. So, mucho interesante. Muy interesante. So, yeah, it looks good though. Got this live if you guys want to go check it out. You're not gonna buy anything, but it's just cool to play around with and see it for yourself. Sweet. And that's on GitHub as well, so check it out. In the meantime, honestly, should we probably focus on implementing an AI service to build out the templates? Yes, we should. So let's just build a little plan. Just kind of brainstorm it, talk about it. So we don't need this. Midjourney or Dolly. Replicate. Is this free? We got an API. Is it free? Oh, plug my laptop in. Do I need an API token? Seems pretty easy. Seems pretty easy. This is cool, so I can copy a page. Let's watch what we're gonna do here. So what happened here? I'll help you transform the test PO script to production ready service creating. What is it called? Oh, this is awesome. Production ready service. No way. Oh my gosh. If this implemented AI for me already. Oh my gosh, it's creating me a script to run. This is incredible. Oh my gosh, it already ran. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Cop it. Cut it out. I get it. This thing's funny, dude. AI just goes so above and beyond, so extra. Like it's even got little emojis and it's console output. Like it's awesome. It's super cute. I love it. All right, so this is what we need. This is what we need. This is what we need. Don't need this. 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 We need to fix the script here to take our uh so you gotta give it a bunch of different references. What time is it? 3:40. I see the issue. It sees the issue. Oh, that's what we're doing. Let's create the services. Call it replicate.py. There you go, replicate.md, replicate.py. Let's test the fix. Like that, buddy. Alright, let's see what these ones look like. I mean, they're all the same. Oh, that's funny, dude. So just get rid of all of them. Alright, I mean, it still works, so we know that. Just stop. Thanks. Alright. Let's go back here. Let's now focus on implementing replicate API to generate template images of the state of Florida for us to then needs to be there we go. What a pump. Focus on implicating the replicate API that we just got from here. I'm going to need to do this right now. I'm going to need to get this. sign in with GitHub. I'm gonna do that. And then boom, I'm here and I have my API token that you guys aren't gonna be able to see. I'm not gonna make you see that. But yeah, so this is here. I'm gonna have to add .env to put that in there. And then, yeah, I'll get back to you when I'm done that. Copy that, and then I'm going to paste it real quick. Oh, you didn't see that. Oh my gosh, you didn't see that. I'm gonna crop out that part of the video, so. Oh, it's back. Psych. You thought. Alright, I hope this thing works well. What does this say again? So we got pip install replicate. So I'm assuming it's just going to... How do I get to the docs? Actually, before we get into anything crazy, we should definitely look at the pricing to make sure that we don't get absolutely destroyed. So which one is it wanting to use? Oh my goodness! $3! Oh, per 1,000 output. Oh. Pretty good. Pretty good. So how do I do something for free? So I did that, and I'm gonna run a model. Oh my gosh, of course he uses the most expensive one. So which one are they using? Sir, you're not going to be able to run anything before I look through this. Oh, so of course, yeah, it uses a $3 model. And then which one is this? The Flux Dev? How much is that one? So less than like 2 cents, or a little around 2 cents. $3 is great. Oh, there's 2 cents an output image. See, this is how they get you, bro. Like, can't do that quick math in my brain. Whatever. Let's create an integration example that shows how to combine the AI map generation with your poster service. That's awesome. I mean, if these are able to work together, then that's great. So this is generator service. Should probably change this from test. Put that in services. AI poster pipeline. So we have an AI-powered Florida surf break poster pipeline, end-to-end pipeline that generates AI-powered Florida map templates using Replicate. Yes, this is true. This is exactly what we want. We want to apply surf break markers using labels. Absolutely. And we want production. Let's go. Come on. This is awesome. We're going to test it. We'll put on charge $1,000. Oh my gosh. That's right. I literally just took my API token, just pasted it in my .env. I'm hilarious. So, yeah, you guys aren't gonna be able to see any of this. So, just gonna try to run it again. That was worked, and then that worked perfectly fine. So I don't know what it's fixing still. It says perfect. Let's fix the coastal spacing optimizations and warnings by updating the prompts that need more coastal spacing. Oh, nice. So what are the prompts? We are in the wrong file. Set, replicate, that's what I have. We can figure this out. So classic, professional. Ultra minimalist line art, pure white background, single black line. That's cool. Oh, watercolor. I really want to try painting a Florida map. Soft pastel blues and greens is my favorite. Come on now. Organic paint textures. That's what we like. That's what we like. Botanical looks. Oh my gosh. Come on. Definitely gonna need to put some like hibiscus prompts in here. All right, so let's see what it says. This is the poster system. Low key. This is getting pretty messy, this folder structure. So we're gonna have to go ahead and do something crazy here. We're going to say web, and then we're gonna say poster. I don't know. Honestly, let's not complicate things, alright? Let's just keep it the way it is and figure it out. So the reason that we're not getting the API is because we have to load .env. So I'm gonna need to test replicate service. I'm gonna need to import .env, and I'm going to need to pip install .env. Is that how you do it, like -r requirements? We can do that in a bit. Let's ask. Come on, you got it. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. You got it. Go ahead, go ahead. Oh my gosh, let's just forget about it. Forget I ever asked. Okay, but yeah. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and separate this because it's kind of giving me anxiety. Some sense call it. Poster service. And then this is what we're going to do. We're going to take node modules, and that's going to go in web. Okay, we're going to take, yes. We're going to take services, scrapers. We're going to put that in the poster service. We're going to take this. No, crap. We're going to take this. Yep, and then that's going on the poster service. Yep. And then we're taking this. It's going to poster service. Yep. You guys didn't see that. And then this is going to poster service. And then this is going to poster service. And then everything else is going into web. Source. Yes. Web. Next. Web. And the docs are going to stay out here because these we need. Cool. So I only showed my .env file like 100 times. But we got it all figured out now, and now it's super pretty. We have everything. So now we're working on the post service, so what we're going to see is a poster service. Okay. This needs to stay out here. Thank you. And we need to add .env. Because we're not going to add that. Cool. While we're at it, don't want to add any of those. Very cool. Very cool. Everything looks great. Do we have to PIP install requests? Crazy, right? There is no request. It just comes out of the box. Can't believe I said that. All right, we're running out of time here. We haven't even been able to generate images yet. So let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do that. We need to load the .env, so test replicate service, pip install .env. Oh my goodness, we need to cd poster service. Alright, so this is source. So now we're in here, and then we can rip that. Oh my gosh. What is going on here? It's always something, isn't it, huh? Oh, this is crazy. What is going on here? Where am I? I think I just activated a virtual environment on my kernel service. Oh, this hurts, man. This hurts. Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna try it again. This is so annoying. Where are my requirements? I need pillow. I need what all do I need now? Replicate. Beautiful soup we've got. Right? Yep. .env. Oh my goodness. So let's just do this. Forgot to save it. This is a disaster. Guys, I swear I know how to program. Okay? Like it's just the AI, I swear, like it's the AI that makes it. So now we got everything. Got everything. So yeah. Yep. Here we go. So now we can run this. Services. replicate. So what is that main method? I am instantiate this. Generate map template. Generate a Florida map template in a specific style. Important to ensure wide margins for local text label. Yep, looks good. Prompt, guidance, good. What is interesting? So yeah. Alright, so we do that and then it generates all styles. Alright. So let's get it. Let's run it. I'm gonna do that as well. Oh man. AI just doesn't help. What's good? Typical. Damn, she crushed it. Uh-oh. Oh, that's why. Got it. Please. Please fix. What a switch up of vibes, huh? We go from like bouncy house to jungle. No, I don't need that. Replicate API token, got it. Okay, I don't mind if you update it, honestly. You can go ahead. So yep, we have the AI generation 7 styles overlay service and then the final poster generation. Wow, I love how they give you so yeah, services, scrapers, data, yeah. This could all be cleaned up, you know, like it's kind of ugly right now. Just a bunch of stuff everywhere. You know, we got the web. And this is what happens with monorepo, you know. I mean, soon this will be wrapped in a server, and then we'll have the environment variables on that server able to be accessed by all the instances, or the server itself it's running has access to those, and then it will pass those to these, because you're not really supposed to like instantiate. See, like they took it out. You're not supposed to instantiate your environment variables in the services themselves. You normally just pass them from the main service itself, which in our case would be like the router for the API service. Like we just wrap it in like a Flask application. So like essentially like this poster pipeline that we have had its own main, which this would just be like wrapped in an endpoint, like generate poster or something, and then it would do the same thing. Just like initialize this poster pipeline, which can generate a single poster, can generate the collection, can generate the custom poster, can get the status too. Very cool. So that's very cool. I want to see this work. I'm very curious. I want to get like just a really big output of a bunch of AI images. Like they're always so fascinating to see what they're able to come up with, like their kind of art and stuff. So, and I want to wrap up. This video is getting long. I want to keep it around like 40 minutes for each video. So hopefully within the next 10 minutes we get some AI images that we can overlay some maps on, because this video's gone a little bit longer than I expected. But if you guys are sticking around, I appreciate you. You guys are some real ones, and you're going to learn a thing or two. This video's been fun. I love Python. It's a lot more fun than Next.js. This is just downloading some requirements right now. Claude got us right with all of our requirements. This is definitely not right. That's why it's taking so long. Crap. We don't need that. Duh. I just want to run my replicate service. Can I just run this? So I already have it. Oh my gosh, I've already got it. Alright. Oh my goodness. What if with the AI poster pipeline? Oh, that's nice. Fix, please. Wait, what is it? Wait, what's going on here? AI poster pipeline. From test. Oh. It's from poster. See, sometimes we don't need AI. We just need to think and read and understand. Like, that's a great lesson to learn right there. You know, it's so easy to come over and be like, oh, can you please fix? Like, if I just read, all right, from test, okay, I made this. You know, I made this. Or no, I made this. But you get what I mean. All right. So, yeah, this is it. So now I can click into it. Bang. Let's go one more time. Oh, yeah, of course. I need to put in my bank account information. Are you kidding me? I said, what model's free? Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? Wow. Wow. How many dollars? How many dollars? Come on. Really? Ugh, I don't want to do this. There's no free? Alright guys, we're back. I got that set up. Hopefully it doesn't charge me a bunch of money. I really hope that it's cheap. These are always difficult when it's like run it up type of thing, because, well, you know I'll run it up. Not a good quality of mine. So, let's see. Let's run it again. It may not have propagated over. Let's just take some time to hang out, you know, just clear some things up. It's kind of ugly over here. Boom. Oh my gosh, come on guys. Oh my gosh, come on. This is looking great. This is looking great. I'm looking at all these check marks and these celebrations, and this AI generated posters and AI generate. Come on, psychedelic surf. Oh my gosh, guys, this is crazy. This is unbelievable. Does that look like a? Is that like a person? That is so creepy. It kind of looks like a person. This is way off. This is way off. Super close though. I was probably just yelling right there. I got so excited. All right, so let's look at the posters that it created. Okay, that's poor. Sure, I'll save it. Not good. Not good. Interesting, but I could see, but not good. Interesting. This one is crazy. This is my favorite one. This is really cool. But nothing great there. This is what? What is going on there? Oh my gosh, this is just not good. Like, this is just not good. This is all right. Like, this is cool, but this isn't gonna get the job done. You know, like, this is a good start. Yeah, it's a good start. But this is a moment of truth. Let's see what this is looking like over here. Was that worth 2 cents? I don't think so. I personally do not think so. So, yeah, guys. I mean, that was pretty cool. You see, we were able to create this pipeline where we started with a prompt from Gemini, and then that gave us really good results, honestly. That gave us our best results. TBH, I'm telling you, the moment you start adding AI, everything just goes downhill. So, yeah, I hope you guys learned something here. We're making great progress. You know, we've got the store up, and then in the next video, hopefully we can kind of fine-tune this a little bit more, and then from there we'll be able to add these posters to our site and then deploy the site and start bringing in some money. Not the purpose of this, though. This is an informative tutorial series. So, yeah. See you guys in the next one, and appreciate you tagging along if you made this far. Peace.